Here's I'll show you how to add form fields in Acrobat. After opening your PDF, go to Tools, and in this tool list, you have to find out and click on Prepare Form. And here, click on Start. Yes, save, and you have to save your PDF first of all. And then, here you will get different types of form fields. If you want to add a text field, select this text field option and just go ahead and add a text field just like this. Also, here you get this checkboxes field. You can just go ahead and add checkbox field just like this. You can also get here radio field, and you can get here list choice field. You get here drop down field and a OK button field and a date field. Now let's clicking on preview, and here we can see the text field, you can see the checkbox field, and we can see the radio button field. Here we can see the date field. So now if you want to customize any field, just right click on the field and click on properties, select appearance, and then you can go ahead and customize your field background color, border color, text color. So that's how you can actually add fields in PDF.